What up? I know. Get it out. Get it out. Let me hear it. It's been a long time. It's been forever. Putting all these travel videos up. Blah, 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 blah. We want the LOC videos. I hear you. But my schedule doesn't allow for them. So, enjoy these travel videos. But yeah, I mean, if you want this to turn into a little hair update video, we can do that, but no real hair lock video update. So this is what it looked like. It's a little dirty right now, but don't worry. You know, we've been doing our gym regimen. We've been putting a band-aid on the situation about getting it done, but we'll get there. Don't stress. If I'm not stressed about it, don't stress. We'll get there. Just make sure you're keeping up with your routine as far as, you know, moisturizing your hair, you know, washing your hair, doing all those things that I highly encourage you to do. So with that, be great. Thank you. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those beautiful things YouTubers say that I always forget to say in my videos, but I would love for you to continue to do them on these videos, even the travel videos too. Yeah, but I do have it on my calendar. I definitely do. Don't think I just forgot about y'all. It's just there's a lot going on. So it's on my video. It's on my calendar. It's coming. I promise you. I think you'll enjoy the next few LOC videos and some beard stuff. See, got all of y'all coming up on the channel. But for now, just enjoy the travel vlogs. I'm almost done editing everything. We're almost back home as far as social media is concerned. Yeah, so again, I thank you guys for your continued support, and be easy.